Hello all, this is Sri Ranjani, the wellness advisor here at Nirvana Retreat. I have been in the naturopathy and yoga background since the year 2017. Over the years, I have seen so many people struggling to lose the weight even if they follow the strict dietary patterns, extreme routines and all the shortcuts possible. Today, we are celebrating the 8th Naturopathy Day and let's discuss about the theme for this year, that is losing weight naturally through naturopathy. Let me discuss with you the most interesting and scientifically proven facts. First, study shows that people who eat the whole and plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, legumes and whole grains tend to eat a fewer calories because naturally their food is rich in fiber, which is going to keep them full for a longer duration, and it also regulates the blood sugar levels. So real food really works. The next interesting fact is that people who follow the time restricted eating, that is a major concept behind the intermittent fasting. So the eating window must be between 8 to 10 hours. So this will help in the improving the metabolism, and it also reduces the insulin spike in your body, and the fat loss can be seen even without following the strict diet. Isn't that amazing? Let's talk about the movements. So it is not mandatory that you need to go to the gym to lose the weight. So simple walking and the yoga stretches help to reduce the stress hormone, that is the cortisol. So this is a major culprit for the belly fat. Make sure that 20 to 30 minutes of physical activity to be included on a daily basis. The most important thing what people forget or do not focus on is the sleep and the stress. So when you do not sleep properly, there is the increased secretion of the hunger hormones, which would push you to eat a larger quantity of food the next day. People who sleep less than 5 hours and wondering why are you having a lot of cravings the next day, now we got to know the reason. Make sure that you do some amount of breath work, that is pranayam, and get 7 to 8 hours of sleep daily, which will help in the weight loss journey. So what naturopathy teaches us is that we need to work with the body but not against it. Wishing you all a very healthy and a mindful naturopathy day. Thank you.